I'm back here with my mom, Kathy.
Yes.
And we are going to do a little more decluttering.
Yes, I found more to do. I'm surprised, but I have a few more things.
And you're going to explain to us also why you're decluttering these
yes.
items. Before we start talking about what my mom is decluttering today, I thought it would be fun to give you a quick backstory of how this whole entire journey started. So in 2017, I started to declutter my home, and I took my time going room by room, and I spent about 6 months decluttering everything in my house. This encouraged my mom to start looking at her home a little bit differently, and that's when my parents started to declutter. We started filming some videos and sharing my parents' decluttering journey in 2019, and we went room by room, section by section, decluttering every single inch of their home. And at this point, my mom and dad are in more of a maintenance mode when it comes to decluttering, but they have come so far from when they first started. It's becoming easier for my mom to make decisions on what she wants to let go of and what she wants to keep. And I'm so proud of my parents. They've come so far. Their home is ultra organized, and they have a lot more space in all of their cupboards compared to before they started decluttering. I have a full playlist of all the videos of my mom and I going through their house, decluttering each section. So if you're interested in seeing this journey from the very beginning, I will be sure to link all those videos down below and the playlist in case you want to binge watch and catch up on this whole entire decluttering series. But now my parents are in a really good place with a maintenance mode of decluttering, and that is what we are going to be sharing with you today.
So I went through all my spices that some I never use. Like, I love Mrs. Dash, but the extra spicy I didn't like, and it's also expired 15. And this one's the same thing. This is expired in 2013, and I didn't like the Southwest flavor, but it also expired in 2017.
And I want to mention really quick, I had to jump in here because I know we're going to get the comments that things don't expire, but spices are the one thing that do expire.
Yeah.
They just don't taste good.
Yeah, you don't want to go through all that work and have a funky spice.
Like baking soda expires, baking powder, all those things do expire. Flour expires.
It gets rancid. Looking through my cupboards, like, what do I not use? These Reynolds hot bags. I mean, these things are so old. So I'm going to get rid of it. I don't think I only have a few left. I don't know why.
It's like a piece of history here.
Yeah, maybe a museum wants it. So anyways, that's going to go. And the other thing is all these fajita mixes. I used to do a lot more cooking, and unfortunately I don't do that anymore. But these have expired, so if I do decide to cook something, 2022, so these are all... But you
don't use them, right?
I don't use them anymore. No, all these spice kits.
Okay.
So there's no reason to clog up my cupboard in the spice stuff, and I have a lot more room now.
Okay.
So I'm just going to get rid of this.
And I spy something here around the corner.
Oh, yeah.
That you talked about. So I want to take the next minute to tell you about today's sponsor, Upside. The free Upside app gets you cash back on daily essentials like gas, groceries, and dining out. I like to check the Upside app before heading out to get my gas to see if there are any opportunities to earn. Top earners on Upside are getting as much as $300 cash back every month. I see this as a great way to earn on essentials that I'm already buying. There are over 100,000 gas stations, restaurants, and grocery stores on the Upside app, ensuring that earning and cashback is right around the corner. And yes, it's real cashback, no confusing rewards points or systems like that, just actual money that you can transfer straight into your checking account. Frequent Upside users earn an average of $140 per year. To find out how much you could earn, click the link in the description to download Upside and use my promo code Shannon Torrens and get an extra 25 cents back on every gallon on your first tank of gas. Or scan the QR code here to claim this offer. Next, claim an offer for whatever you're buying on Upside, then pay as usual with a regular debit or credit card, follow the steps in the app, and get paid. Thank you so much to Upside for sponsoring today's video.
Oh yes, the throw rug. As my doctor said, the tripping hazard. Now that we're older, they said remove rugs that you could trip on, which is a heavy rug on top of a rug. The reason we had it there was for the footprints that came in, but it's okay. This rug's okay. I mean, probably we need to move it one day, but this one was really bad. So I told my husband we're just gonna get rid of it now because
It's not worth falling.
no, yeah.
Okay.
Osteoporosis, you gotta watch out your bones don't break. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I'm ready. I worked out. I won't break. I go like this.
And that you could donate.
Yes, I'll donate.
Yeah, it's in good condition still.
This can go to the thrift store. I found some sheets that I really love and I ordered a second set. So I'm going to declutter these sheets that I don't love. They're kind of rough and they also are kind of small for the bed. So these are going.
And a note, you also told me that in the past you would have kept them.
Yes.
Just in case.
Yes.
So now we're moving on now from the just in case
I'm
thing.
keeping up with that. Someone can use those.
One in, one out.
Okay, the blouse, I really have decluttered most of my clothes. I don't have a lot to go through. But I did wear this, I wore this blouse a couple weeks ago.
I know what you're gonna say.
What?
Because I told you
No.
it didn't look like your normal style.
No.
Okay.
So
okay.
I've had this blouse for at least 5 or 8 years or something. But I did find this blouse in my dressy stuff and I thought, I don't know why I never wear it. It's actually, I put it on and it actually fits really cute. So I'm moving it up and I'm gonna keep it in my everyday stuff because it's really not dressy, it's just a blouse. And it was one of those I kept thinking I'm gonna save it for one time. So I thought I'm just gonna wear it. So I wore it and now I know why I didn't wear it because it was really high on my neck. Very uncomfortable, so this blouse is going.
I did make the comment when I saw you in this blouse. I did say, it doesn't really look like your normal style.
Yeah.
You know, I was kind of, because it is so high.
I know.
And then it's long.
Yeah.
And it's so dark, because you normally wear bright colors.
Yeah.
So I didn't say it negatively.
No,
I
no,
just
no.
said you look a lot different in that.
But that confirmed my uncomfortableness in it, so I decided there's no reason to keep it. I will not ever wear this again, so this is going. While I was upstairs, one other thing, this is a air purifier. It sucks in all the bad air and blows out good air.
Supposedly.
Yeah, we don't use it. We haven't used it for years, and it's just sitting there in the bedroom. So I said, let's get rid of it.
It's pretty
we
big.
don't need it. Yeah, well, that'll go to the thrift store. Someone will want that.
Still works.
Yeah, yeah. We don't need
Just
it.
sometimes you buy things, you use it for a while, and then you realize you're not using it, and why keep it?
This was a gift, a Christmas gift.
Okay.
And it's where you put it in your dash and you hang your phone on while you're driving. I don't do that. I don't use my phone at all when I'm driving, so I have no use for this. It's brand new, and thank you for whoever gave it to me, but I'm gonna move it on and let someone else have it. So it's gonna leave my house.
Okay.
Okay.
And I don't need it because
you don't need it.
I know you didn't ask, but
no,
I don't
didn't
need it
ask
either
because you don't use your phone.
I don't use my phone in my car either, and I never drive anywhere. So that's another reason why I don't need it.
Yeah. 2 items in my office. Recently, I got a laptop computer because my old computer is ancient. It's Windows 7, so it doesn't work anymore, and you can't fix it up. So that's going. And I'm also getting...
This is a mirror, by the way, so she doesn't have 2 of all this.
Yeah, there's a mirror there. So I have one computer that's going, and then I'm going to declutter this printer and give it to someone. I think I have someone who wants it. It's a laser printer, and I don't use it anymore.
I just counted up everything that you're decluttering, and it came out to 9 items.
Wow.
3 of them, actually 4, being quite large.
Oh yeah, that's
large
right,
items.
right.
Yeah, so 9 more things going, and I want to ask you, because I always ask you, what is making you want to continue to declutter?
Just the feeling of not having junk around.
Yeah.
I feel like when I have it all, I just keep seeing it, and I think, why is it there? And it feels good to just have only what I need and want, and not anything else.
And because we hang out all the time, I see you getting rid of more things that you know you're not using, that you know you never will use, like the foil bags, the air purifier, just things that you probably previously would have kept. I mean, this is from the 90s. So.
I kept this, and I kept thinking, I'm going to use that, I'm going to use that, and I thought, I'm never going to use it.
Yeah, so. And I know the theory behind the thinking is probably you don't want to waste it, like, oh, I might use it one day, but then after 20 years if you know you haven't used it,
Yeah.
and then it's just taking up space. And that's always
Yeah.
an issue.
It feels good to have space.
Yeah.
And I'm not replacing things. I already replaced the printer, but that's it. But
And the sheets,
I'm
but
not, just because I have an extra little bit of room.
yeah, no,
Yeah,
you're
the
not
sheets.
filling it up.
Yeah,
It's a
no.
one in, one out.
Yeah, right, exactly.
And so you're
Yeah.
really, I notice it when I come here.
Uh-huh.
It's staying
Yeah.
where you guys are at. I don't
Yeah.
see the clutter coming back at
No,
all.
uh-uh.
So you're doing a
Closets,
really
yeah.
good job.
Thank you. It's
Yeah.
been fun. Fun and feels good.
Yeah. And I want to mention really quick that we have a membership option
Oh, yeah.
that we usually add around one extra video a month to the membership option. So if you're interested in that, getting an extra video and special posts, then you can click down below in the description box to find out more information about that. Click
Yes.
below. Thank you so much for being here,
Yeah,
being
thanks.
part of my channel with my mom here.
Yay.
And we will see you in the next video.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
It's been good to see y'all again.
Yes. Bye.
Bye.